Hi guys, I'm back to share a happy mail, and this is from Sue Freeman. Sue, you're so naughty. Sue is a subscriber of mine, and I've got to know Sue over the past couple of years, and she's a lovely lady, very cheeky sense of humour, and a little bit naughty. But Sue, you've sent me so many happy mails. I feel so spoiled by you. Sorry. Why didn't I do this before I started filming? I say that every time, honestly. Okay, I love your little box that you've reused, iPad Air. Oh, Sue! Okay. You naughty. Oh my gosh, you know that I'm going to eat these straight away. Mountain Bath, Switzerland. Okay, I have one little confession though. This one will have to go to hubby because I don't eat mint flavoured stuff. Okay, little story. I can't eat minty stuff with mint flavour. It just makes me gag and want to vomit. And yeah, because that's what you want to hear when you send someone a happy mail, isn't it? But yeah, so you can imagine I have trouble with toothpaste because here in Australia they only have minty toothpaste. We don't have different flavors. And unless you buy like kids bubblegum flavor or something, you can find cinnamon here and there. But yeah, all the toothpaste is minty. So I'm a real, teeth brushing clean freak. So you can imagine I have trouble with toothpaste. And my friend James actually once he sent over a box. I know this sounds crazy, but he sent me from America a box of orange toothpaste because he knows that mint makes me sick. Anyway, so this one, Sue, will go to hubby. But these will definitely be mine. And hubby can share this with grandbaby because... oh, yum. Okay, they look really good and they're so heavy. I feel like they're so meaty. Thank you, Sue. You really, really spoil me. And, I'm fat enough without you feeding me chocolates. Naughty girl. Okay, but I will be eating them. Now, Sue... she knows I don't drink tea, and hubby doesn't drink tea either. So she sent me some tea bags. She told me she was sending them because her husband drinks a lot of tea. Oh, Sue! Oh my gosh, they're so yum. Look at these. I kind of feel like just buying tea just to get the tea bags. Oh, they feel so yum. I love them. Oh my gosh. I did buy a box of tea the other day just to do some papers to get the tea bags. But I like coffee dye in my papers, but I was going to give tea dye a try. Oh, Sue, they're so yum. Is this... You didn't do anything with the colour. Is this just the colour that they turn out? I know that sounds dumb. I've never drunk tea or used it. Oh gosh, they look so yum and they feel wonderful. Listen to that. They even sound so yum. Thank you, Sue. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use these. You know what I want to do with these? I'm going to put a link to a video by a very talented lady that I came across some time ago. Her channel is Made by Sova. I think she's in Romania. No, not Romania. Where was it? Slovakia. I think. Oh gosh, I'm terrible. Look, I'm sorry if that's not where you're from, but it's somewhere around there. But yeah, go check out her channel. She has a lot of recycle work, and she has a little tea bag journal that she made that I fell in love with. And I so wanted to just copy it and make one. It's so awesome. I'll put the link to that video down below. You'll love it. It's so beautiful. Now, I'm not sure what you do with a tea bag journal, but the whole journal was just tea bags. It's just, I mean, I suppose you don't do anything with it. I don't know. I don't journal, but just to have it sitting there to look through, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Anyway, so Sue popped in a few other bits and bobs. She said she was going to pop in her negatives from when she was die cutting, because I can use those as stencils. Thank you, Sue. And guess what? I bought a Sizzix. Finally, I bought a die cut machine, or whatever you call them, so that I can finally chop up food packaging and stuff. Yeah, she sent me some pictures. She was cutting little ferns and flowers and stuff out of these cards that you get in the gardening books, and I do have some of these cards, and they just look so gorgeous. Oh, you sent me some. Oh, thank you. I thought you were just sending the negatives. But look how gorgeous they turn out. Look, they look like proper little die cuts. I know they are die cuts, but you know what I mean. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I love them. Thank you. You know, I've got a whole bunch of coffee dyed envelopes on my desk here that I was going to alter, and I think I might make some very simple little pockets and stuff using these. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I can't stop playing with those. Okay, you're probably telling me shut up and get on with it. I don't know where to start because everything's so yum. Oh, these were the ones that I loved especially. The ones, look at this. Oh my gosh. I need to get online and buy some dies now for my, because I have the die cutting machine now, but not any dies. I've been wanting one for so long. But you know, I never thought I would use it. It wasn't until a long time ago I sent, do I have one around me? I don't have any. But I sent, another Aussie lady, Wendy Mason, some fabric softener satchels, and she cut some little baby doilies out of them, and I wish I had one here. Oh, they're all packed up. I don't want to go rummaging in a box, but the material on them is like really thick and just so nice, and she cut some little doilies out of them, and ever since then I really wanted one, just to cut up junk material basically. Like, I'm not going to be cutting cardstock and all that stuff, but look, they're so pretty. That one looks like seaweed. I love it. Pink seaweed. Oh, and you cut me some extra little bits and bobs. Thank you. Oh, these are out of paint chips. What are these? Oh, more. Oh, thank you, Sue. You know, I don't have any stencils. I will have a couple of stencils that a subby sent me, Geo. Thank you, Geo. But yeah, that's something else. Look, I've always managed to just get by without stuff. But yeah, I do want to get some stencils, like real stencils. My stencils are stuff that I've made, or other random stuff, you know, like placemats or something. I don't know, weird things with cutouts on them that I use as stencils. But these I will use as stencils, these negatives. Thank you, little Sue. Oh, some more. They're out of paint chips as well. I love them. Oh, these are like, I don't know what you call them, little banners or something. Oh, so cute. Thank you. You know, I've been making my own of these, and I put brads in each end. But they're always wonky because I don't measure or anything, and so they turn out wonky. Oh, these are really cute. Thank you, Sue. Oh, you sent me so many. I've still got some little tabs that you sent me ages ago. Oh. Bingo cards. You know, I think you sent me a couple of these once ages ago, and I've been hoarding them. I really need to start using my Happy Mail. Okay, these are so cute. I love these. Where do you play bingo? What is this off? Christmas bingo card. Love your packaging. Good, good. Paper baggie, Sue. Oh, don't. We had a joke about a paper bag. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This has excited me. Sue knows that I want chickens. I don't know why. Ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted chickens, right? But Darren doesn't want chickens. Anyway, you know, we don't live in the country. We were semi-rural when we moved out here many years ago, but now it's kind of built up and it's like back living in the city. But Sue has chickens and I'm so jealous. And it's a big fat brown chicken in there as well that is what I really wanted. And she said she'll send me some chicken feathers. Oh, thank you, Sue. I love them. You've got some other feathers in here. Is that a magpie? I'm not sure. Sue's a crazy bird lady like me. Thank you, Sue. You know, I love feathers. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, circles. Are these from paint chips as well, the big ones? They're really thick. Thank you, because, you know, I don't have circle punches. I have a little itty bitty one, but whenever I cut circles, I hand cut them and they're so wonky. What is this? Oh, these are the empty tea bags. Oh, cool. Okay. You know, I have 3 or 4 of these that somebody sent me in a Happy Mail. Oh, I don't know why those scissors are so sharp, but they don't cut plastic. Okay, how can this video be so long? I'm too excited over junk. I've been trying to organise my craft room. And I'm starting to understand the true level of my mental issues in regards to junk. I keep everything. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. I have to think of something to do with them. Yeah, I had those 3 or 4 that someone sent me in a Happy Mail. Gee, maybe a year or two, maybe 2 years ago. And because I only had a few, I didn't want to waste them. So I've kept them, which doesn't make sense because what's the point of having them if you don't use them? Okay, too cute. Oh, you sent me 2. Oh, thank you, Sue. I feel like such a greedy guts. Okay, I'm sure one of those things was in here and it fell out. What are you having? Is this coffee as well? Okay, are these coffee bags like tea bags? It is. I didn't know those existed. Oh, okay. Those are tea bags. Oh my gosh, 2 bundles, Sue! Okay, you said you had a lot. Okay, I know what those are. Those are the little end bits you snipped off. I just love them. Thank you. Oh, Sue, this hurts my heart. Look how delicious. I don't know what's exciting me more, these little end bits or the actual tea bags. Oh, look at these. Yum, yum. almost want to eat them. They're like little cookies. Look at them. Okay, I'm so glad you kept... That's the top when she snipped open the tea bag. Good work, Sue, you little recycler. Trained you well. Well, thank you, Sue. Thank you so much for these because, yeah, I just don't drink tea or coffee and we don't even have tea because no one drinks it. But like I said, I did buy them, but actually they're quite weird. The ones I bought have like 2 bags and let me show you. It's like this. It's like 2 bags kind of folded and then stapled there. You know, so there's like a bag on this side and a bag on that side. Not that that matters, but I don't think they're as wide as these either. Thank you, Sue. What else? And thank you for my chocolates. Oh, thank you for everything. Thank you. You really spoilt me over the years, Sue. Honestly, I feel like such a greedy guts. But thank you. And Sue doesn't have a channel. I have been niggling her for years because she's an amazing crafter. She crocheted this great big blanket for my kitty cat, Clivey. I'll put the link to that down below. It's absolutely beautiful. She crochets, she sews, she crafts, she makes journals. She makes like pretty little things. She made some Christmas stockings, flowers. She just like good at all of it. And Sue, I think you really need a channel. Okay, well, I'll keep harassing you to open one anyway. Maybe you'll cave in one day like Rayleigh. Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching. Bye.